prayer of confession for being mean to another child. Dear Lord Jesus, I'm so very sorry that I was mean today. I know that it is not right and there is no excuse. I know that I don't like it when people are mean to me, and so I shouldn't be mean to other people. Please forgive me, Lord. You know that I'm very sorry. I don't want to be mean, and so I ask for your help to be kind to others. Please help me to love other people in the same way that you love me. I know that I love you, Lord Jesus. I know that you love and forgive me.